Hi, I'm Deana with The Best of Us. So we have come to a state park that is very close to our house. It's called Mohican State Park in Loudonville, Ohio. So if you've not been here and you're close, I would come. It's a great little state park. And this is our shakeout trip. And Duane is not here today. He's out working and I'm off work today. So he brought the RV down yesterday and I stayed here for a little bit. I was supposed to work, but they called me off. And so Stella and I have been down here and I wanted to show you a little bit of the state park. We have been here before and we do have that on video, but this is our setup. And you can see Miss Stella. Hi, Stella. She's looking out the door. We need to mow a little bit here. We've met some of these people there. Just a quiet, restful day. I'm not sure how long we'll be here today, Stella and I. Last night there were some major tornadic storms in Oklahoma. Pretty close to where we used to live. I think probably an F5 went through. It really was a destruction to a small town, right? I think north of Tulsa, where we used to live. And it's headed this way, the storm is. I've been watching it to see if it's really going to hit us. They're saying they're calling for possible tornadoes here and large hail. But I just looked at it and it looks like it may be the storm is going to go north of us. So, but if, nevertheless, Duane wants me to, trying to get the best light, Duane wants me to pull the slides in because it could really, the wind could really destroy it. I came in because Stella keeps barking. But Duane wants me to pull the slides in and then head home this afternoon. He'll meet me there. You don't want to be in an RV in really high winds. It could flip you. And definitely don't want to be in it in a tornado. So that's going to be the plan this afternoon. I'll probably just do that. And then Duane will be here all day tomorrow. And so he and I both will do some walking. We'll have Stella with us and she'll like that. And I'll show you a little bit more of the campground. So here we are back at Mohican State Park. So we're filming today. Today's the 8th? Today's May 8th. And yesterday, if you remember, when you watched this, lots of tornadoes came through and we had them too. So Duane was in, he's worked last night, that's what it was. He was working last night. And so we made the decision for me, because we're only 20 minutes, we live about 20 minutes from here. We made the decision for me to close it up, even slides, because you don't really, with the winds coming through in case there was a tornado, and just go home. And we slept in our beds last night. We slept really good. And I guess it was another tornado warning last night. I missed it. I was sound asleep. But so a lot of people left yesterday, but there's still some people here. You don't.
Gives a whole new meaning to your shakedown trip.
Yeah. Truly. It's not where you want to be, and especially the tornadoes that were last night.
Doing great. Love your setup.
I know. I love your little RV.
My son built it.
He built it. That's awesome.
You can look inside if you want.
Oh yeah. Do you care if I record it inside? Okay. Yeah. I saw.
Sure.
She so what is the year of it? Do you know?
He built it about 6 years ago. Built it. We bought the trailer.
Right.
And then he just built it from the trailer up.
Are you kidding me?
In the back, it pulls out like a buddy does, and it has a full kitchen in it.
Well, yeah, I was here. He was working yesterday.
Yeah.
Oh, hi.
Has a microwave, TV.
Inside, or is it all? It's inside.
Inside phone charger, DVD player. like a little house.
I told him
Yeah.
I want to, because I noticed what you're pulling it with, and we have a pilot, and I said, I just want to get a little RV that I can pull and just go where I want to go and not wait on you, because I'm not pulling I'm not going to pull a fifth wheel. I mean, I've driven it. Let's see, do I have to go this way? I've pulled it before out west, but it was just on road. This is so neat.
And see, underneath is all storage.
Yeah.
And I can fit both the dogs' cages in there so they can sleep at night.
And here's your little television.
Kind of messy right now because I'm
no. No, it's fine. Of course. Are you here by yourself or?
Yep. I turned 80 in June.
Did you?
And camped by myself.
This is what I'm going to do.
Yep. I love it. Hey, get down. Get down. Just smack.
So
just
where do you go?
Tap him.
Where do you go?
Mohegan's my favorite.
Right.
I like Mohegan. I've been to Charles Mills. I've been to Pleasant Hill. I don't go too far away from home.
So you pretty much stay in Ohio?
Yeah. The kids get a little excited if I go too far. So.
Well, I can understand that.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Donna.
Donna. Oh,
Donna
I'm Deana.
Dina?
Dina.
Dina.
Yeah. My dad's name is Dean. Nice to meet you. And I was the baby, so I got both my dad and my mom's name. So I see, that's where you're, yeah, that just goes, that works down, pulls down. Why did we pick this time to come camping?
But we always want to do a shakeout trip just to kind of make sure we're in the flow and we got everything we're going to need for longer trips. Get us back kind of in the cycle of being in the camper. But we came out here just to enjoy a nice sunny day. We like to get out and just walk a little bit and kind of get back into the swing of things. It is going to be a busy summer, so we wanted to take advantage of every opportunity. Hi, how are you?
And they have trails, which we have done. So we did, there's a mountain bike trail. We did the northern trail. That was a hike. I would bring your trek poles. It was a hike. Oh yeah, and it's 3 miles to the covered bridge, 2 miles to another campground. Nice. So that's why people love coming here. They take donations, bring money.
So here's another thought regarding a shakedown trip. I encourage everyone, beginning of the season and at the end of the season, find a place close to home where you can go enjoy a day or two. But it's the shakedown at the beginning of the season lets you find all the things that you should have brought with you. The shakedown at the end of the season, the shakedown is good because it lets you kind of close everything up and walk through a process again. Getting into those routines are real important. And so with our shakedown trip, we like to, as Deana mentioned, remember we forgot to bring the firewood that's sitting in our garage, and just little things like that, the lock on the fifth wheel, so that we've got all those things ready. We do this year have our walking sticks in the truck on a permanent basis, so those little things go a long way when you do the shakedown trips. And then you can enjoy a great summer for your longer trips for more days away. Happy camping.
She likes it because they had, or was it this one they had a lab? Maybe this one. Unless they're gone. Let's see. No, this one.
How are you? Talking to each other, huh?
I just love to hear the birds sing.
Mm-hmm. Peaceful. They manufacture air swings.
Oh, really?
And you can go up there, you've got to do it in advance, and you'll get a tour of the plant. I mean, literally walking the facilities.
This is Duane's favorite.
concrete bed with a panel that goes in the middle. We set it up with the twins because it's easier to get in and crawl over the end of it.
That's what we said we would do.
Yeah, it goes all the way through to the other, and then there's a hatch on the other side.
And this is a lot of storage here. Look at Duane, it goes all the way back.
I know. When I've looked at these before, I told her, I said, I really like the floor plans. I like the length of it. The style of more European with the styling, but they don't make them anymore, like you said.
I think they quit in 2019 or 18.
Yeah.
But
This is the
I see a
counter.
lot of them for sale.
Yes.
And they're asking about anywhere from a little bit more than we paid for this to a little bit less. And that was
Good.
what, 5 years ago, 6 years. I don't know if that's what they're getting for them. That's what they're asking. I mean, I haven't actually.
And you may have said, what's the length on this?
25 and 30.
High water mark. It's been that high. In 2006, the result of the torrential rainfall. That's how high the water got. Here.
Like the water, Stella? She likes to blow bubbles.
When I said the air conditioning,